Well, I'm just hanging out down here by the lake. It actually cooled off last night. It got below 60 degrees. I think it was about 55, which is the coolest it's been in a while. Just hanging out down here by the lake. It is just beautiful this morning. Nice to actually put a sweater on. I think I am gonna pull out from this spot today. As nice as it is, I'd love to stay another night or two. Although it is right on Route 28, so it's a little noisy with road noise there. That's kind of wearing on me a little bit, but it was silent this morning, waking up to the sound of the loons on the lake. Just awesome. So I'm gonna go look at the map and see what I can find. I've been without cell service for a good solid week, so I need to get in range and do a little research and make some contacts for my next job and get them moving, get some miles behind me. It's time to start heading west. So the other highlight I wanted to hit on the way out from Maine was the Adirondack Mountains, which I'm doing. Just barely scratching the surface. This is definitely a place that I would come back and visit. I could spend the whole summer exploring this area. But I also wanted to hit the upper peninsula of Michigan, so that's going to be the next stop from here. Probably have a night or two in between. Got a few miles between here and there. So I'm going to go look at the map, see what I can find, and do a little research, and move on. Well, for breakfast I'm doing scrambled eggs. These are actually freeze-dried eggs. It is 100% eggs. It's just freeze-dried. So I've been trying these out. Wow, looks like these eggs scramble up nicely. Let's see how they taste. Dang, those eggs cooked up real nice. Give a little bit of the hot sauce on there. And on my English muffin, I've been using this clarified butter. It doesn't need to be refrigerated. It's got a real nice flavor. It's just butter without the fats. Let's give them a try. Dang. You would not know those are freeze-dried eggs. Scrambled up nice and fluffy. Dang it. That is good. Well, I'm looking at the old map this morning. I am in this area of upstate New York, and I am trying to get over here within the next few days. So I think I'm going to do a couple days of long driving, maybe 6 hours or so. I'm tempted to go to Niagara Falls, but it's falling on a weekend, and I'm just not feeling like crowds. So I might just skip that, save that for another time, try to cut along the Great Lake here, Erie, and then I'll be cutting around and going up to the upper peninsula of Michigan. So that's the plan, so I'll probably end up camping somewhere around here in Erie, Pennsylvania. Well, it is time to move on from this camp. I'm all packed up, ready to go. I don't know if it's the change in weather, the sudden cool off, but suddenly today I'm feeling like summer is over. It's just kind of hitting me that, yeah, it's that time of year. So I'll be moving on from here, heading west to my next seasonal job already. Summer went by really quick. I tried to squeeze in too much, I think, this summer, with 2 months in Alaska working a job, trying to spend time with my family in Maine, and to try to do some exploring on top of that. I just didn't budget my time well. So I'm feeling like the summer got away from me a little bit, but no complaints. I had some great experiences, met some great people, and saw some great places. So let's continue this adventure, see what we can find next. Well, we're coming into Pennsylvania. Goodbye, New York. Hello, Pennsylvania. Pursue your happiness. Well, I've got about another 65 miles to go. I'm going to stop at a Flying J truck stop in Ohio, get a night's rest, get up early in the morning, and try to find a camp in Michigan. I typically don't do long days of driving like this, but I just wanted to get some miles behind me. And I'm about ready to be done driving. And here we are, coming into Ohio. Goodbye, Pennsylvania. Hello, Ohio. Well, this is it for the night. We're gonna call this a place to lay down. Get some rest. Well, here we are waking up at the truck stop. Everything went fine. It was nice and quiet. Didn't hear any trucks idling till this morning. And looks like we're getting a little bit of rain. I have got some driving to do today, so I'm gonna get some coffee and get busy. Well, this is what I'm waking up to this morning. I did not notice anything while driving yesterday or pulling in, so not sure what the deal is. Had a slow leak and it just deflated overnight, or I picked up a nail or something, so I got a little something to look into today. Well, I was able to get the tire up to pressure here using my little 12-volt pump. This thing comes in real handy. Got it up to operating pressure. I am going to gas up here and then go across the street. There's a tire shop. It is a Sunday, so a couple places are closed, but I found a place literally across the street. Alright, there we are. We got new tires on the rear. We're good to go. I'm going to get on the road and try to get some miles behind me. Alright, we are coming into Michigan. Welcome to pure Michigan. Goodbye, Ohio. Hello, Michigan. My first time in Michigan. There's only a few states left. I haven't been to Kansas or Wisconsin. So I'll be going through Wisconsin. That just leaves Kansas left. Looks like I found my dirt road here. I'm right near the town of Sanford, Michigan, near Sanford Lake. I believe this is a state forest area that is used mostly for off-roading. I already passed a truck on the way out with a trailer full of dirt bikes. So we'll see if I can find somewhere to camp along here. Well, I went down to the end of this road till it turned and it started to get a little rugged. So I am just going to pull over at this little spot I saw off the side of the road and just camp for the night. I'm pretty tired from driving. Yes, I do get tired from driving. I don't know why, I just stress on the road. So I'm just going to camp here for the night, and then if I feel like staying another night, I'll pull out the trail bike and go explore down the road. Just in case. The road looked a little narrow, and I didn't want to risk not being able to turn around, any of that, so I'm just going to pull off right here. Looks pretty level. That will work. Oh, it feels good to be done driving. Got a nice little camp here in the state forest in Michigan. This will work near the town of Sanford. Just got a nice little area off the side of the van there. I am right off this dirt road, so hopefully there won't be a lot of traffic. I did go up the road a little ways, and there's a couple in a spot just like this, just up the road. They're pitching a tent camp there. And then around the bend, it looked like it was getting a little rough and narrow, so I thought I'd just grab this before it got too late and dark. The sun is setting. Not a lot of mosquitoes yet, but that may be changing here soon, so I'm going to get my boots off and just kick back. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you joining me in this video. Been doing a little bit more driving than I prefer to do at a time, but that's what I got to do to get these miles behind me. Been getting a few questions about my next seasonal job. I will be hauling beets for a farmer up in North Dakota for the sugar beet harvest again, like I did last year at the Drayton facility. So if any of you folks out there are working the Drayton facility this year, keep an eye out for me. I'll be rolling in there quite often with my truckloads of beets, and I hope it goes well for you. If you guys are doing the beet harvest for the first time, I hope it goes well. It's a good way to make some quick money. A little bit cold, but you just tough it out, and hopefully we can make some money and get back on the road again. So I wish you guys all the best. I hope everyone's doing well out there, and we'll see you soon in the next video. Take care. Peace.